Look, Kiki, where are we?
Supermarket! Yeah! Let's go shopping!
Fruit juice should be put in the locker first and can't be taken to the supermarket.
Let's shop at the supermarket. What do we need to get?
Check out the shopping list. We need to buy these.
What should we get first?
Cake section. What kind of cake do you like?
Yay! Toys section! I like this toy. Where is it? Whoa! Yay! Clothes section. What kind of outfit and shoes would you like?
This outfit and this pair of shoes look nice.
You can try. Oh no! This outfit is too small. It fits you perfectly. So handsome.
I am all set. Thank you.
Yay!
Awesome. We've got everything we need. Let's check out.
Hello, please put your items on the counter. Clothes, cake,
Toy Santa Claus.
shoes.
How would you like mobile payment? Thank you very much. It's more environmentally friendly to take your own shopping bag when shopping at the supermarket. Great job, honey. Thanks for your help. What's our password?
276. 2 7 6.